hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S and P500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell. Levels or ranges. Value area. High, VAH. 7003. The reinforced stone wall where the king's archers stand tall. Any breach signals a full castle siege. Value area. Low, VAL. 6,992. The outer drawbridge, which has been lowered too many times. If it falls, the peasants may revolt. Point of control. POC. 7002. The bustling Great Hall, where the lords and ladies have spent most of their gold today. Support zone. 6,992 to 6,997. The inner courtyard, where the knights are currently regrouping for a counteroffensive. Resistance zone. 6,998 to 7,003. The heavy portcullis that refuses to budge despite the battering rams. Single prince escape paths. Lower, 6,987 to 6,990. A hidden escape tunnel beneath the moat. Rarely used but dangerous if discovered. Upper, 7,005 to 7,007. The high tower balcony, where only the most daring scouts venture. Market context. The kingdom remains in a tense state of balance as the lords fight for the high ground. Price has been oscillating between the palace walls and the village gates, showing a lack of decisive conquest. The massive drop in CVD indicates that the heavy cavalry, sellers, has been charging down the hill, even if the price has not yet completely surrendered the castle. Overall, it is a consolidating fortress, with heavy selling pressure meeting a stubborn defense. 3-day march through the realm. Day 3, January 14th. POC, 6,990. High, 7,002. Low, 6,923. The kingdom expanded its borders as the infantry marched steadily northward. Day 2, January 15th. POC, 6,990. High, 7,017. Low, 6,952. A chaotic skirmish at the border resulting in higher peaks, but no clear victor. Day 1, January 16th. POC, 7,002. High, 7,007. Low, 6,987. Value has consolidated within the inner walls, setting the stage for a final duel. Value has migrated higher over the last 3 suns, but today represents a defensive consolidation. Acceptance above the stone wall would lead to a new era of prosperity. Failure to hold the drawbridge invites a retreat to the old encampments. Volume, analysis. Cumulative, volume, delta, CVD Sabah breakdown. Session open, C, Vitadis D, negative. 219 contracts, the morning mist saw a slight skirmish by the bridge. Intraday peak, buying, CTVD climbed to 3,845, a glorious charge by the King's Knights that briefly seized the advantage. Current CVD, negative 4,348 net, negative 4,129 from open, meaning the invading horde has completely reversed the initial gains. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 6,156, a moment of absolute despair for the bulls as the gate almost buckled. Interpretation. Aggressive selling pressure is mounting like an army at the gates. The castle needs a heroic defense at VAL to prevent a total rout. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Near the drawbridge at VAL, 6,992 to 6,997. Stop loss. Below the hidden escape tunnel at approximately 6,987, 5 ticks beneath VAL, or use average true range. ATR, approximately 7 points below entry. Profit target. Initial target at the Great Hall, 7,002. Major target at the Stone Wall, 7,003. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of the Stone Wall, 6,998 to 7,003, or collapse of the drawbridge. Stop loss. Above the high tower balcony at approximately 7,007, or ATR, above entry. Profit target. The Great Hall for the first sack of gold, then the drawbridge. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after the first spoils of war are secured. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above VAH. The scouts scale the high wall at 7,003 and open the gates. Setup. Enter long above 7,003 with stop at 7,002. POC. Target 7,015 plus on a momentum breakout. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. The archers rain fire down from 7,003, forcing the attackers back. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 7,007. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The drawbridge at 6,992 snaps and the moat is breached. Setup. Short a break below 6,992. Stop above 6,998. Recent defensive line. Target 6,985 area. Scenario D. Value bounce. The knights hold the bridge at 6,992 and launch a counterattack. Setup. Long at 6,992. Stop at 6,987. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.